So today we are going to look into some tips and exercises to maintain the health of your eyes and your posture. The two main things that gets impacted when we spend lot of screen time. So these days everything is happening online. So we need to put attention to the health of our eyes and our posture. Now first two important things that you also need to take care is where you place your screen. Now, there's a tendency for us to hold the phone or place the screen level little lower than your eyes. So this over a period of time is not good for the eyes. So make sure it is in your eye level or a little higher than that. Second, if you notice how the muscles of the eyes work, they are so much like lenses, the lenses that change between a focal distance which is far and close, right? So what happens when you're placing your screen right in front of you, the muscles of the eyes are so used to only focusing or adjusting to length in shorter range, right? So every half an hour when you're doing or when you're reading your lectures, so look at a distance object outside through your window, especially something that is green in color, the color that for which our eyes are most sensitive to. So train your eyes, the muscles of the eyes, to change its focal length to a far off object and come back. Far off object, come back. Do this for at least 10 to 15 times and keep looking at it for some time. So what happens? The muscles of the eyes get trained to adjust itself. So that's when, we can avoid wearing glasses, right? Second is posture. What is happening? So the neck starts looking down. So the muscles of the neck becomes weak or they get used to a curvature. So that's why avoid looking down. Keep the phone or the screen in your eye level or a little higher. Third, make sure the screen is at least 1.5 feet away from your eyes. If it's too close, like how I said, the muscles get jammed in this position, right? So keep them a little far off. Remember, we need to have healthy eyes when we are over 50, right? Right now, everything will look, it's okay, everything is fine. But over a period of time, these small measures will help you keep the health of the eyes better. Now, let's start with some exercises. Let's sit straight. Now, first, take your fingers, hold your eyebrows, and gently pull them out. Often, when we get too stressed, what we do, we frown our eyes, right? So let's stretch the eyebrows out, relax the eyebrows and the muscles around the eyebrows. Keep a gentle smile on your face. So this relaxes the muscles of the face also. And relax. Now the ears. There are so many nerve endings in the ear region. So pulling the ears helps you to stimulate the brain. Pull them down, and nice. Feel a little bit pain, that's good. Continue pulling down. Now, let's make circles with the ears. Both the directions. Pull it and leave it. From down, the middle, the top. And relax. Now let's go for the eyes. Open up the fingers, place the 4 fingers behind the head and let the thumb come on the jaw. The joint where the jaw and the upper skull is joining, place it there. Now hold your head, don't let the head move. Alright. Now only with the eyes, look to your right and look to your left. Look to your right. When you're looking to the right, you will be able to see the left side of the nose. Look to the left, you will be able to see the right side of the nose. Make sure the head is not moving. Continue moving. You will feel some gentle movements in the back of your head. Are you feeling it? Left, right, left, right. Keep moving the eyes. Now let's look up and down, up, down, up, down. Continue up, down, up, down. Now let's make circles with the eyes. Clockwise direction, make big circles. At the same time, make sure the head is not moving. And feel the movement in the thumb. You can feel it on the face and the thumb. Also on the back of the head. They're all connected. Up, right, down, left, and reverse. You feel the eyes stuck at any point, just stay there and breathe a couple of times. Five times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. And relax your hands. Now blinking is one important aspect. When you're stuck to the screen, your eyes are so open, you're not blinking, then that is also not good, right? So squeeze your eyes. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And open your eyes wider. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And open. Squeeze, open. Squeeze, open. Squeeze, open. Tighten, let's do this faster. Now open them wider, as wide as you can. Squeeze wider. Squeeze wider. And you may relax. Remember to do this at least twice or thrice in a day. Alright? Now let's do some gentle neck rotations. Head up, inhale. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. And slowly start rotating your head clockwise direction. Very slow movements, 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. As you come down, reverse the direction. Feel the muscles in your neck. And slowly come down, relax. Now hold the back of the shoulder muscles, pull it to the front and pull the chin backward. The hands are pulling the muscles of the shoulders forward. The head is being pulled back. This also helps you to straighten your posture. Now lift your chest up and relax. Once again, pull the muscles of the neck and the shoulder forward and take the head back. Hold here. 5 deep breaths. And relax. Do this 2-3 times. Alright? So this whole simple practice can keep the health of your eyes and your posture better. And also your mind alert. If you're feeling sleepy, and this gets you out of it. Alright? Jai Gurudev.